Why do we love restorations? That's the question I wanted to chat with you all about today. I love restorations. I love seeing the transformation that happens when you take something that's been lost and forgotten, abandoned, abused in some cases, well used, and giving it a chance for new life. The tagline that I have in the end of my videos is to look for opportunities to give those old things new life. And really it's about that. I think people, especially here on YouTube, we love watching restorations because it's a simple story of redemption. I think all of us kind of often we feel lost and forgotten, we feel abandoned. We have instances in our lives where we struggle, and to see a simple story of something that has that, and to see it taken back to its original format is interesting, is inspiring. We like to watch it. We find it entertaining. The whole premise of this channel is to show that experience. What I really like about it also is a lot of times with restoration videos that we have, not only is the restorer taking those old things, those abused things, those rusted and destroyed things, and giving them new life or restoring them back to their original format. A lot of times it's taking it to another level, updating it. I've used, on my channel, I've used the term resto mod when looking at taking a vintage bike and modifying it, restoring it, and modifying it to something that's new and more modern, and giving it new purpose in the new world that we have now with newer components that perhaps work better, maybe a better shock that works better. And I wanted to talk about this today because of the time of year, whether you're Christian or not. I am. I find inspiration in the redemption story that is found in Christianity. That we, as people who can be lost, forgotten, fallen, mistreated, or just human and corruptible and sick, we can be restored. And the restorer often makes us something better than we were before. Takes that rusted old bike and gives it new life and new purpose at perhaps a higher level than it was before. So this short little message, I just wanted to reach out to you all. I truly believe the reason we all love restoration videos, why I do, why I love doing them, and why you love watching them, is because there's hope in that story of seeing something lost and forgotten, rusted and destroyed, seeing it given new life again, and to see that transformation happen. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.